Hey everyone, so you gotta be very careful what you do next. You could end up losing all your coins, and I really don't want this to happen. Thank you so much for dropping a like so others can see this. But Shiba Bonus, basically a scam site or so, is tagging popular Shiba Inu influencers and is trying to take up your coins. They're trying to take everything in your wallet. Don't fall for it. But we do have some other news today about Bitcoin, about everything else. I'll keep you updated on that. Got paid in SHIB today, and the first thing I did was adding 5 million SHIB. Obviously, people still buying in as little or much as they can. So they're buying in on the dips. Obviously, the price dropping as the whales are selling. But here's the big but. Otherwise, Hong Kong and Lithuania issue a Binance warning. So now they did issue another Binance warning where SHIB is sold. So Binance is not catching a break. Okay, that's simply crazy. This is like what, the 12th country? Hong Kong and Lithuania become the latest places to warn crypto exchange Binance about its operations. Hong Kong's markets regulator said Binance is not registered to operate in its jurisdiction, while the Bank of Lithuania said it warned the company about its unlicensed investment services. What's going to happen with Shiba Inu on Binance? It's probably going to be staying there, But if you're from Lithuania or if you're from Binance, you could end up losing your tokens and getting refunded for them. Earlier today, Binance announced discounting its stock service, ending the sale of tokens immediately and ceasing support for those already purchased in October. And Lithuania's central bank also issued a warning about Binance unlicensed investment services. Like, this is crazy. They're seriously only going down Binance, not even Coinbase, not even eToro, not anything else, not Robinhood. Binance. We're not sure why, but it's happening, And Binance is where most of the SHIB is, where most of the trades are happening for Shiba Inu. And you have to be aware of this. Is this the end of Shiba Inu? Probably not. But you want to be really, really careful before you buy anything. Honestly, the prices are pretty low right now for SHIB. Google searches for Bitcoin price reached 7-month low. And people have simply stopped chatting the prices. Low levels of crowd chatter on the internet may be a sign that Bitcoin market sentiment can't get much worse, And what goes down must go up. That's what I'm saying. Google Trends, a widely used tool to gauge general interest in trending topics, is currently returning a value of 19 for a worldwide search query Bitcoin price over the past 5 years. That's the lowest reading since December and remarks a significant decline from the peak 86 observed 2 months ago. So Bitcoin hype is down right now. This is both a good and a bad thing because now the big investors are going to be coming in. But the cryptocurrency's 2-month-long dual price action between 30 and 40,000, which still seems a lot to me, but not enough for institutions to actually invest in. Search queries typically rise when price volatility is high and existing, and potential investors search for information regarding the ongoing bullish-bearish market action. Look at this. Look at how low this is. Is this a bad thing? We check over here. Bitcoin price. We see 21. We see 19. Ooh, this is not good. But obviously, this was back in 2017, right? While at its peak, we could saw a number of 86. Now it's 21. So it's 1/4 of that, of the hype, and also Shiba Inu taking a huge hit, basically being about 90% or 85% less than it's at its highest. Will this return? Will we beat 2017's markets? Will we beat 2020's markets? Maybe. I do think so. I do think we could beat 2021's market for sure in the future. And a lot of coins, a lot of that is still operational. But COVID-19 stimulus checks fueled modest jump in Bitcoin price last year. Look at this. Policymakers should not be concerned. The researcher wrote only 0.02% of coronavirus relief check ended up in Bitcoin. And it's so awesome that, 0.02% of people actually spent it on Bitcoin. Framed against Bitcoin's volatility, these figures don't add much. Further noting a 0.07 per annum price increase, the research said that their findings are modest compared to 4.6 standard deviation in Bitcoin's daily price swing. It's still something, and the findings add some hard data to lockdown era whispers of government-fueled surge in 1,200 Bitcoin buys. So everyone thought, they were buying Bitcoin, and that's why the price increased. But in truth, why the price increased is very simple. Big institutions are coming in, and they were pumping Shiba Inu as well, and that's why Shiba Inu increased so much. With Bitcoin's prices low, is Shiba Inu ever gonna rebound? I checked myself, and I can fairly say that I do think so. While the high for Shiba Inu is low right now, one thing we have is being stable. So Shiba Inu goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, right? While some coins are just getting dumped. There's so many projects out there that are already dead during this dip. And this is basically a market correction. A lot of coins are going to be dying, but Shiba Inu is here to stay. Obviously, if it died, it would have died at the donation. At the 40% donation, it stayed strong, and it even grew in price so far. And policymakers should not be concerned that crypto market will gobble up future stimulus payments. And Bank of America approves Bitcoin future trading for some clients. Now, this is big news. Nobody's talking about this. That's really, bullish news so far. Of course, it's going to be some time before they add in SHIB, but this is a right step. Clients are in process of being set up with already some live, according to one of two sources. So are we ever going to be seeing SHIB trading, future trading, so buying low or selling high? I definitely want to see something for Shiba Inu. Right now, it's only for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is basically something that people a lot rather invest in. But the total open interest on the Bitcoin future market is sitting at 11.3 billion, down 59% from its April 13 peak of 27 billion. So we could definitely get back, and crypto offers freedom. This is something I talked before, but the Doge creator, saying that only the rich and the creators get rich, that's something I wouldn't agree with. Because the point of Shiba Inu is that there's no actual creator. We're all the creators. We're all early into this. And this is the part why Bitcoin has made so many people wealthy. It was not a security, so regular people could invest early on. Same for Shiba Inu. Wealth, mobility, and more equality of opportunity for everyone. And Shiba Inu is a community coin. One of the first. Many meme coins were made, and the Dogecoin creator did not profit much off Shiba Inu. And basically the point of Dogecoin is that 5 of the top wallets hold 75% of all Doge. So if 3 wallets decide to sell, you can say bye-bye to Doge. While in Shiba Inu, we do have whales, we have someone holding 7%, it's not nearly as bad. Because what these whales are doing, instead of selling, which would be kind of silly, they're waiting to stake. They're actually staking right now, and they're profiting. They're getting millions of Shiba Inu right now. Why would they ever sell? When just staking gets them that massive profit, it's just simply crazy to me. The market has not crashed for Shiba Inu yet, and I don't think they will decide to sell anytime soon as long as Shiba Swap is active and they're getting enough rewards. Someone is staking 500 million, which is simply crazy to me. But you can see over here that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are a completely different project. If we check over here, there's a lot more we have to look into today, so be sure to subscribe and like for more content. Until next time, peace everyone.